Hello, today let's take a look at problem number 1396 in LeetCode, designing an underground system. So the problem is such that you have to implement an underground system class, and that class has a few methods. There is this check-in method. So che- using a check-in method, a customer having a particular customer ID can check into a station given by the station name at a timestamp t. Then there is a check out method. So using this method, a customer with an ID of specified type can check out of the station given by station name at the timestamp t. And the third one is get average time. So this provides an average time from for reaching from station, the start station to the end station. So for example, let's say we have two stations A and B. So let's say a customer with ID 1 checks in to this station A at timestamp, let's say 5, and then the same customer with ID 1 checks out of station B at timestamp 10. So in this case, the time taken to reach from A to B is 10 minus 5, which is 5. So this is the average time. Now it might happen that there is another customer who took a time of, let's say, 6. So in that case, 5 plus 6 by 2, which would be 11 by 2, equal to 5.5. So that would be the average time taken to reach from A to B. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So here they have provided an example. Let's take this example. So we can solve it using a couple of maps. So let's call the first map as the user, and let's call the second map as the average time map. So in the user map, the key would be the user ID, and the value would be a combination of the station and the timestamp. So when, let's say, as they have given in the example, a user with ID 45 checks into the station Leeton at time 3. So our map would contain an entry like 45, and the station is Leeton, and the timestamp at which the user checked in is 3. Now another user 32 checks in, as we see in this line, and the station is Paradise, and the timestamp is 8. Now another user 27 checks in, and that user checks into Leeton station, and the timestamp is 10. Then the user 45 checks out of Waterloo. So when we have a checkout call, so we will check in this map, is there a entry already there with 45? So yes, over here we see that there is an entry with 45. So we know that this user 45 had checked into Leeton at timestamp 3, and now is checking out from Waterloo at timestamp 15, which means that in the average time map we can put something like the time taken to reach from Leeton to Waterloo is 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. This 15 is coming in from here, so the time of reaching Waterloo, and 3 is coming from here. the time of checking into Lytton. So 15 minus 3, 12. So, so now in the average time map, we have one entry where key is equal to the station pairing, so Lytton to Waterloo, and the value is equal to that average time taken. So the time taken right now is 12, which was taken by user 45. Now if we move to another line, we'll see that there's a user 27 who is checking out from Waterloo. So we check in the user map and we saw that this user had checked into Lytton at 10. So this tells us that uh, from from Lytton to Waterloo, the time taken by this user number 27 is 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10. So now we have two time intervals for reaching from Lytton to Waterloo. One is 12, other is 10. So we can take out an average of them, and the average of 12 and 10 would be 11. So if somebody made a call to get average time from Lytton to Waterloo, so it would be equal to 11. So similarly, we can proceed in this problem and keep on adding values in these maps and find the result. So if you want to check out the code description, please check in the link provided in the video. Thank you.